Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the fish pakora. This is restaurant style fish pakora, not any specific place or region. So this is two fillet. This is called basa fish. So I already washed it. So I need to take some excess water on the fish. So I need to put the pepper on top, press it. So there will be any excess water. We have to remove it because we don't need any more water in the fish. It's not good. So when you are using fish, it depends what kind of fish, like a sea fish or river fish or farm fish. Sea fish is always has a salt. So when you put the salt, you have to be very careful and you have to remember what type of fish you are using. So today I am using, this is like a farm fish, basa, two fillet. So I will cut the fish. I will show you how to cut the fish of the fish pakora. We will make the longer shape and triangle cutting like this. There you go. Now next step, we will marinate the fish. When I used to work in the restaurant, I always keep it ready for marination, and whenever order comes, then I will make it. So this is 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and some ajwain. You need to crush it with the hand little bit. If you crush it, then flavor will come out. And some pinch of kasturi methi, you have to crush it. And salt, as I have already mentioned, salt. If it's seafood, you have to put the less salt. So this is like a 1/4 teaspoon salt, not much. And I will put some fresh lemon juice. We'll squeeze it. Lemon juice is very important. It has to be a little bit sourness. This is like a 1 lemon. Now we'll mix it. So in the restaurant, we always keep it like a marination is like this, ready. And whenever order is come, we'll take it out and we'll put the rest of the things. So we'll keep it for 30 minutes. If you can keep it like a 2-3 hours, it will be good for the fish. It will give more flavor. So we'll keep it for 30 minutes and see you after 30 minutes. So marination is ready. As I mentioned, if you can keep it longer, it will give you more good flavor. So this is 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and this is pinch of garam masala, and this is a pinch of red orange color. So now we'll mix it. So you don't have to you don't have to add the water because you can see there is a lemon juice is already there. So we will put the now gram flour. This is 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoon and 3 tablespoon, and let's check. And this is rice flour. So I have to put 1 tablespoon rice flour. Then I will mix it. We don't have to put too much gram flour because it will be no good. just little bit coated. So it's ready. So now at least give me 10 minutes more rest for this one. Okay, now time to fry the fish. So I already preheated the oil for the medium heat last 3 minutes. So oil temperature is right now ready. So we'll put the one by one all the fish. So we have to fry 2 times because there's a little bit more fish. So when you put the fish and within 1 minute don't move the fish from the kadai, and after 1 minute you have to use some ladle, either wood one, either steel one. So then little sometimes it is stick with the kadai, so you have to put the slowly. We'll fry at least 2 to 3 minutes one side, and I will move the other side also. Fish has been frying for the last 5 minutes, so fish is almost ready. So there is 2 ways you can make the fish pakoda. Either you can make the batter different separately and can put all the spices, then dip it and fry it. But that way there will be lots of besan, so I don't want that. This is the way I make it. This is that you can see there will be no besan on top. It will be different way. We make the restaurant style. If it's too much batter, then it will be not give you the good taste. We can put some sprinkle on the chaat masala on the top of the fish pakoda. If you enjoy my recipe, like my video and share with friends and family. And for new upload video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.